DIYing that. Got a quick tip for you. I had to cut a bunch of strips off a sheet of plywood, a rip fence on the circular saw, and what was happening was, because this length is so short, at the end of the cut, I was getting a deviation there. The end of the board was either narrower or wider than the other end. So what I did was I just attached a fence to the rip fence itself in order to make that longer, and I just drilled a couple holes in here, countersank a little bit so the screw would snuggle down in there, and took a couple of wood screws and attached this. This is a piece of cherry I had laying around. It was pretty straight, so that's what I used to do it with. So I'm just guiding this along as I cut. I'm just pushing in on here on the end of the rip fence until I get to the end. I'll show you what happens down there. And down here at the end, as I get to the end of the cut, I'm pushing in back here, this side of the rip fence, and that's keeping it going straight to the end. So just a quick tip, might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in the next one.